Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how earning money directly from playing Candy Crush is not a feature. It's important to understand that Candy Crush, developed by King, is a free-to-play puzzle game primarily designed for entertainment. Its business model relies on in-app purchases for boosters and extra lives, along with displaying advertisements. Therefore, playing the game itself does not offer any built-in mechanisms for players to earn real-world money directly from their gameplay. The most direct way to potentially earn money related to Candy Crush is through third-party playtime apps. Platforms like Paidwork or Ysense offer tasks where you download and play Candy Crush, earning points for reaching specific levels or playing for a certain duration. These accumulated points can then be redeemed for real cash via services like PayPal or exchanged for gift cards. Some individuals have reported earning up to $700 per month using such applications. Beyond playtime apps, other indirect avenues exist. Content creators can stream their Candy Crush gameplay on platforms like Twitch or YouTube, earning through ad revenue, viewer donations, or sponsorships. Occasionally, online tournaments or contests are held where top players can win cash prizes. Additionally, a few individuals offer services on freelance platforms, playing Candy Crush for others to help them pass difficult levels, though this is less common. It's crucial to maintain realistic expectations regarding earning money from Candy Crush. Direct financial gain from simply playing the game is not a feature and should not be expected. The primary purpose of Candy Crush is to provide an enjoyable and challenging puzzle experience. While indirect methods might offer very small, inconsistent income, the game is best enjoyed for its entertainment value and the satisfaction of conquering difficult levels, rather than as a source of significant profit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.